Welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your algebra question tonight. So we're trying to find the quotient and the remainder of this division problem here, where the denominator is x plus 2 and the numerator is x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 3. I'm going to do this by long division. So x plus 2 divides into x to the fourth, and I'm going to put in placeholders here, plus 0x to the third minus 2x squared plus 0x plus 3. These two 0 terms are placeholders, and it'll be easier to keep track of doing long division this way. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find the term up here that we need to multiply by x to get x to the fourth, and that's just going to be x to the third. So then we multiply that by x, we get x to the fourth. Multiply that by 2, we get plus 2x to the third, and subtract it. So this x to the fourth minus x to the fourth equals 0. And then we subtract this, and we get negative 0 minus 2x to the third is negative 2x to the third. So that's what we get. I'm going to bring down this right here. So we get negative 2x squared. So now what we're going to look at this number right here. What times x equals negative x to the third, 2x to the third? It's going to be negative 2x squared. So if we multiply it by that, it's going to be negative 2x cubed. If we multiply this by 2, it's going to be negative 4x squared. And if we subtract this, this is going to go to 0 again. That's what we wanted. Subtract this, this goes to a positive, you add it to it, and we get 2x squared. If we subtract that. Now I'm going to bring down this 0. So it's just 0 plus 0 right here. Now what times x equals 2x squared? It's going to be positive 2x. Multiply that, it's 2x squared. Multiply 2x by 2, it's going to be positive 4x. Now subtract, so this is 0, and then we get negative 4x. What times x equals negative 4x is negative 4. So, and then what, so we bring down the 3, the positive 3, and now what we get is, we get negative 4 times x is negative 4x, and negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and subtract, this is 0, we're going to add this is positive 13. Now what times x equals 13? We don't know. There's not going to be anything. So this is actually going to be our quotient, and then the remainder is going to be 13 over x plus 2. So our answer is x to the third minus 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. That's our quotient. And our remainder is going to be this number right here. So it's going to be 13, and it's going to be over this, over x plus 2. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. Thank you, Jacob, for sending in your question tonight, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.